Hey piano players, Chris here, and in this video I'm going to quickly give you 5 vocal pointers related to leading from the piano. And these are all designed to help you lead in a way that maximizes congregational singing. So here goes then. Number 1, make sure you sing in tune. I know the Bible says make a joyful noise, but when you're leading, you need to sing in tune. One of the reasons I mention this is that if you don't have a good monitor feed and you can't hear your voice, you may be going out of tune without realizing it. So it might be good to ask someone and check that. Number 2, make sure you sing at an appropriate level. In part, this will be the sound engineer's job, which we'll talk more about in another video. But what I'm referring to here is the level that you put out into the microphone, making sure you don't sing so quiet your voice is not being used effectively and not so loud that you sound like you are straining. Number 3, if you're singing with others, decide who is doing certain harmonies. This is something you can go over in your practice, but when it comes to vocals, if you sing harmonies, deciding who is singing what ahead of time avoids harmony crashes and helps the sound to be more balanced. Number 4, check the keys of your songs, allowing for vocal tiredness. What I mean by this is not just making sure the keys of the songs allow you to reach the high notes, but also check that the high notes are not your absolute maximum high note. Otherwise, if your voice gets tired or you didn't sleep well the night before, you may find when you get to that note, you end up sounding like a dying cat or something. Okay, the last one then, number 5, take care of your voice. As singers, we can often neglect this, and it's tempting to still have that coffee, but caffeine does dry out vocal cords, for some people more than others. Also, making sure you drink plenty of water and having some near the piano will go a long way to giving you vocal endurance and will also help if you get a dry throat. If you do experience vocal strain, I recommend sipping on water in between songs, even if you don't feel like you need it, to keep your vocal cords lubricated. Vocal technique also contributes hugely to how our voice sounds, but that's beyond the scope of this course. So you might need to do a Google search for 20-day church singer. You never know what might be out there. Okay, let's go through those 5 vocal pointers one more time then. Number 1, make sure you sing in tune. Number 2, make sure you sing at an appropriate level. Number 3, if you're singing with others, decide who is doing certain harmonies. Number 4, check the keys of your songs, allowing for vocal tiredness. And number 5, take care of your voice. So that's all for this video then. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.